classes by tonight, because I really have to like edit, I have to upload everything, so it takes quite a while. um so if you add, let's add it. 90 plus 92 plus 86 plus 77, that is 345. 345 divided by 4, how much is it? 345 divided by 4 is 86.25. So that's the answer. Okay, now you already get how much marks? You already get 2 marks. Okay, that is a previous year question. And second question is, what is the overall percentage of current? Overall percentage of current. Overall percentage of current. It's quite simple. So if you see current, the marks of current are 92 plus 90 plus 90 plus 93. Okay, so you will divide it by how much? Overall percentage. So you have to divide by the full marks. Okay, so the formula would be like this. Marks obtained by current divided by full marks. Okay, full marks. They are not asking for average, so you won't do that average thing. So you have to divide this by the full marks. So since there are four subjects, it is 400. Okay, so just add that and give me the answers quickly. Give me the answers. So all the answers are starting from 9. Okay, all the answers are starting from 9. I just checked the options. So just give me the chat. Just give me the chat answers. What should be the answer? Use calculator if you know the process. That's it. Overall percentage of current. How much? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. So if you add 90 plus 9, 92 plus 92 plus 90 plus 90 plus 93, you get 365. Okay, 365 divided by 400 multiply 100. You just do like that. Since they're asking overall percentage, you just do like this, so you can cancel this out. Okay, so just divide 365 divided by 4. So answer is 91.25. I hope you get it. It's so easy. Okay, so when they ask overall percentage, you have to divide the marks that he or she scores. Okay, the total marks he or she scores divided by the full marks multiply 100. You'll get like that. And next question, another follow-up questions. Now we already get 4 marks. Okay, we already get 4 marks. Next is, what is the percentage of Niraj in three best subjects? Okay, best 3 subjects. So let's see Niraj, what are his best subjects? Kindly write in the chat. Kindly write in the chat, what are his 3 best subjects? Niraj, kindly write in the chat. Let's be a little bit more interactive. So the three, are you writing in the chat? I'm waiting. Okay, 82, 80, 86, 82, 77. So those are the 3 best scores. Okay, 86, 82, 77. Right. So it's asking for percentage of Niras in 3 best subjects. Right. So just add those 3 marks. Okay, 86 plus 82 plus 77 divided by how much? So since there are three subjects, just do like this and give me the answer quick. Quick answers. So all the answers are starting from 8. Okay, just give me the answer. 8. 8, 8, 8. Just give me the answer quick. Quick. So if you add 86 plus 82 plus 77, you get 245. Okay, and you have 300 multiply 100. Okay, so how much do you get? You just cancel this out, 0 0, and you divide this. Okay, 245 divided by 3 is 81.666. Now you get 6 marks. UGC NET paper 1 6 marks already. It's so easy, right? Now, do you know how to find out aggregate? Aggregate. They are asking. They are asking which of the following has the highest aggregate marks in the four subjects. Aggregate means like in average. Okay. So highest aggregate in the four subjects among the six students. Highest aggregate. Just find this highest aggregate. I'm waiting. I'll give you 20 seconds. You can use calculator. Highest aggregate of marks. Okay, highest aggregate of marks. Just find the highest aggregate of marks. Quick, quick, quick. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Time is not waiting for us. Highest aggregate of marks. How do you find it? I'll wait for 30 seconds. So the question is not asking the percentage, okay? So aggregate means just add them, okay? Just add them. One way to do it is just add them. Just add these, okay, and see what is the total. Okay, just see the total for each and every student. Why are they asking all these questions? It's not a difficult question, but it takes time. Okay, so they are trying to see like how quick you can finish this task. Okay, so it's quite easy but it's lengthy. Okay, without calculator it takes so much time. So 90 plus 85 plus 95 plus 98 is 368, right? So Radhika's aggregate is 368, right? It's not asking for like specific percentage or anything, it's just asking the names. Okay, so Karan you'll find like that again. 92 plus 90 plus 90 plus 93 is 365. So you'll add the whole, okay, the whole sums, and you'll see which student has the highest total. Okay, and that is the highest. Okay, that's it. Okay, no big deal. So we'll just skip on. We'll just skip because it's eating too much of our time. And now we already have what, 8 marks, right? We already have 8 marks. We just need a few more marks to pass UGC NET. Now the last question. Okay, so 5 questions came with just this um, question. Okay, so next question is which of the following pair of students has the smallest ratio between physics? Okay, so we already did this type of example. So how so let's see Radhika and Karan. Radhika and Karan is how much? Radhika and Karan is 90 is to 92. Okay, that is the first ratio. This is how to find the smallest ratio. Radhika and Karan is 90 to 92, and Karan and Neeraj is 92 is to 86. Okay, and what else? 86 is to 63. You'll do like that. That's it. And 63 is to 77, and 77 is to 50. And just do direct divide. Okay, direct divide. You divide 90 by 92, and you'll just find the sum. But without calculator, it's quite difficult. Okay, like it takes so much time. So in order to like ease the task, okay, you just cut like this. How much? 2 4 are 2 4 are 8, 2 6 are 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are okay, so it's 45 is to 46. And how much about this 46 43, so 46 is to 43. You can do like this, or you can do direct divide as well. 86, or let's do direct divide. Okay, it's eating too much of our time, so I'll use calculator. If you know the process, that's it. 90 divided by 92, so it's 0.9. Okay, this is 0.9. And what about this 92 divided by 86? It's 1.0. Okay, 1.06, let's write. And 86 divide 63 divide by 63, definitely this is 1.3. So since it's asking for the smallest ratio, the upper wala, like the top, has a chance, right? So 63 divided by 77, it's 0.8. Oh, this one is smaller again now. And what else? 77 divided by 50, right? So it's 1.5. So now we can see the smallest ratio is 0 0.8, that is 63 is to 77. So it is between Priyanka and Sujata. Do you get it? So we already get what? 10 marks. That's it. Now I'll move on quickly again because we have like very less number of time. We'll move quickly. I already told you about it. So there are upstream and downstream questions, okay? Um, Upstream and downstream questions. Just give me a second. Downstream questions. I'll give you questions, some previous year questions. Let's see this. I'll start from the simple ones because upstream and downstream is quite difficult because see, this is a river, okay? Because there's a previous year question based on upstream and downstream river. So this is a river. River flows in only one direction, okay? So there is definitely an upstream and downstream. Downstream means like the route or the direction which the river flows. So that is downstream, okay? Downstream means the route or direction in which the river flows. Upstream means like opposite to that, okay? So whenever you're calculating the speed of a boat, and also you have to take this stuff into context. Is the boat moving in upstream or downstream? Okay, because definitely if the boat is moving in downstream, if it moves along with the current of the river, definitely the speed will increase so much, right? But if it goes against the current, then upstream, okay, then things become different, okay? It's more difficult because like engines need more trust and everything. And there's also like still water, okay? There are three types. Still water is also there because a river can also be like technically still, okay, like it doesn't move too much, that is known as still water. And in the question it will mention, is it an upstream, is the boat moving in upstream direction or downstream, or is the river still water? If it's still, you don't have to add all this context, but if it's downstream, you have to do all this stuff. So the first question is, because 2024 December cycle may it came, okay, this upstream downstream question, even like time and distance question used to come. These are mathematical aptitude questions, okay? So a boat uh, travel travels 10 kilometer per hour, 10 kilometer per hour in still water. I just mentioned, okay, still water. If it's still water, you don't have to do the hisab of whether it's upstream or downstream because the river doesn't move, okay? If the speed of the stream is 2 kilometer per hour, what is the um, speed of the boat downstream? Okay, so when it is upstream, one basic thing, okay, when it is upstream, when it is talking about upstream, since it is going against the current, okay, like river flows like in a certain way, right? If it's going against that, then it's minus, okay, because you're resisting it. And if it is downstream, it's plus, okay? So what does this question tells us? It just tells us that this is the regular speed of the boat, okay? If there's no influence whether it's downstream or upstream, this is the speed in general, okay? So the speed in general, okay, this is the general speed is 10 kilometer per hour. So if it says that um the speed of the stream is boat speed, let's write that is, okay, normal boat speed, and downstream speed is downstream speed is 2 kilometer per hour. Then what is the speed of the boat downstream? See, just look this stuff. Since it is downstream, you'll just add these two, okay? 10 plus 2. So it is 12 kilometer per hour. Do you get it? That's the answer. Okay. You'll just add the downstream speed and that's it. Okay. Now I'll move on quickly. Always remember this formula. When it's upstream, it's generally minus, and when it's downstream, it's generally plus. Hmm. Now I'll twist the question a little bit. These are mathematical aptitude. Boat goes 24 kilometer downstream. Okay, in 2 hours. What is downstream speed? What is downstream speed? Okay, so you already know that. Let's write the formula here. Okay, speed equal to distance by time. Okay, time equal to distance by speed. But what? Distance is equal to speed multiply time. Okay, here it is multiplication, no more divide. So these are the basic formulas of distance and speed. Okay, time and distance questions. So now we know the boat goes 20 kilometer downstream. So speed in downstream. Okay, speed downstream, you'll put like this: d is 24 kilometer. Okay, no, sorry. See, if it's not written per hour, it means this is the distance. Okay, see, it's not written 24 kilometer per hour. It's not written. If it's not written like that, it means this is the distance. Okay, so this is the distance. They are doing chalak. Okay, like it's a tricky question. Like it's so easy to, how do I say, um to get confused. Okay, like boat goes 24 kilometer downstream, so it's so easy to get confused with, like, maybe this is the speed of the boat, but it's not. Okay, check nicely if per hour or per second is written. So only when per hour per second is written, that means it is speed. Okay, this is how to identify. Since it's only written the kilometer or the meter, so that means it is distance. Okay, and what about 2 hours? What does this mean? This means time. Time is 2 hours. So distance is 24 kilometer, time is 2 hour. So what do we need? We need speed, right? See, it's asking for speed. So how do you do it? Speed equal to distance by time. So 24 by 2 equal to 12. Easiest drinking milk, right? It's easiest drinking milk. See, it's so easy. The question's a little bit like twisted. It mentions downstream, whatever, but the answer is still the same. That's it. Okay, now let's move on. We'll do 2 3 questions on downstream, then I'll move on to like time, distance, or whatever. Maybe I'll come to some number series again. And yesterday Cindy sent me some questions again related to, like some reasoning, logical reasoning. We'll do that as well. So downstream speed is 12 kilometer per hour, and upstream speed is 8 kilometer per hour. What is boat speed? Speed in still water. Okay, so they are twisting a lot again here. Okay, they are twisting a lot. These questions came, okay, last cycle. You can't skip it. These questions came. So now how will you do it? Just think nicely. Downstream speed is, let's try that. The speed in downstream is 12 kilometer per hour. Okay, and speed in upstream is, you write u, is 8 kilometer per hour. So I told you, when it is in still water, okay, when it is in still water, it doesn't care, okay, whether it's plus or minus, it doesn't care. So how will you do it when downstream speed and upstream speed are given? How will you do it? There's a formula. Okay, when upstream and downstream speed are given, you will do like this: downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. That's it. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, when downstream speed is given, upstream speed is given, and you want to find the still water speed, just add those two and divide by 2. So it's 20 by 2. So the still water speed is 10. Okay, 10 kilometer per hour. Now do you get it? I hope you get it. Okay, okay, now I'll go to number series quickly again, because time is running out and your exam is knocking at the door. Questions, number series comes a lot, like at least, like 2 3 questions used to come, and after that some logical reasoning questions, and we'll do DI again. Like I said, like if you look at the previous year questions. Okay, uh, let me search previous year questions again for maybe last year's June cycle 2024. Meanwhile, I'll give you some number series questions. Some number series questions. You have to answer me quickly, okay? You have to answer me quickly in the chat box, because like you can't just keep mum like that. So I told you the first should be because it won't be too simple or either too complex. So you can start from square root, okay? Square root, just check. If you check square root, then after that cube root again. After that, what? You can check addition or multiplication, okay? So okay, I'll give you this question. I'll give you this question. You guys solve it and answer me in the chat box quickly, quickly, quickly. Quickly answer this. Answer this quickly. Write in the chat. Write in the chat quickly. Anyone knows the answer? Quick, 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 quick. I'm waiting. Because this is calculation based questions. You can't just skip mom, okay? What is the answer? See, I'll give you a clue. I'll give you a clue. Um, 5 in 10, there are 5 spaces, and there are 3 spaces, 7 spaces. So it's an irregular pattern, okay? This is an irregular pattern because see, sometimes it's increasing, sometimes it's going. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5. So it doesn't make sense. So the next thing to do is you can skip like this, okay? Because if you skip, see, if you skip like this, it makes perfect sense, okay? See, 5 to 7 is 2 increment, 7 to 9 is 2 increment, and 2 increments, so it'll be 11. Do you get it? Give a thumbs up if you get it. At least give a thumbs up. Yes, it's 11. You guys are very good, okay? You guys are very good. See, I taught in like DU colleges before. I think the level of interaction is very different, okay, with like us and all. So regardless, let me do with this ones. Next question. Next question. Do you know factorials? Okay, I'll give you this question again. Questions can come as simple as this, okay? Um, think nicely. Try to find the pattern. Okay, so quick, 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 jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. So think again nicely. Just try to see the pattern. There is one increment, two increment, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4 increment, two increment. So it's irregular pattern again. It has to be something else, okay? Just think nicely. So see the trick here, I'll tell you, okay? I can just find it. Jay might be right, Cindy might be right, okay? See, just see. Um, these are previous year questions, okay? We're solving 2, 3, 5. One thing in common is they are prime numbers, okay? They are prime numbers. So 7 is prime, 11 is prime, 13 is prime. So the next prime will not be 15 because 15 is not a prime number, okay? It's not a prime number because it can be divided by 3. So the next will be 17. So you are right, you're definitely right. So you get 2 marks. Wow. Do you know syllogism? Syllogism also used to come. Okay, syllogism. Do you know how to do syllogism? Some used to say like syllogism, anything. All pens are tools, some tools are markers. Do you know this stuff? Quickly, let's do. Okay. All pens are tools, some tools are markers. So the conclusion one is some pens are markers. Conclusion two is some tools are pens. So just find it out, just search it, just try it. If you don't have any idea, I will tell you. Okay. So the answers are only one. Answer two is this is A. Okay. This is B. We're practicing past questions, and this is one and true. C is one and true, and D is none. Okay, none of the above. So just find it out. I'll give you 30 seconds. All pens are tools. Some tools are markers. Abel, can you hear me? Am I audible to you? Write in the chat or like you can speak. Are you familiar with these questions like in the previous years? Are you familiar with these questions? Do you see these questions like in the previous years? Something like this, like all cats are dogs or dogs are cats, all this stuff. You used to find them? This comes under logical reasoning. Okay, so it's not ruled out. Okay, some years it may come, some years it may not come. So we are playing safe. So when you're writing, write like this. Okay, pens. Okay, this is the first thing. You do it with Venn diagram. Okay, it's a familiar question. Okay, see, it's so common like this stuff. I'll tell you how to do. Okay, so firstly, write down the pen. Okay, like this. Write down the pen, and you circle it. You'll do the Venn diagram, and you circle it with what all pens are tools. So what do you do it like this? Okay, you get it. All pens are tools. Now I'm giving you another 5-10 seconds to process the second statement. All pens are tools. This Venn diagram shows that every pen is a tool. Okay, all pens are tools. Some tools are markers. How do you do this? Some tools are marker means, okay. Now do you get it? Since it says some, you'll only do like a little bit of it. Okay, you'll just take a little bit of it. So what is the answer? Some pens are markers. So if it says some pens are markers, that means that there's a chance. Okay, there's a chance that it can be like this. So there's a chance that it can be like this because it's not ruled out. Okay, there's a chance that it can be like this. Pens can also be here. Okay, so some pens are markers is there's a chance, so you'll take it as of now because it doesn't say some pens are not markers. It doesn't say like that. Okay, so what else? Case number two, some tools are pens. Obviously this is the truth because see, these are tools and some tools are also included in the pens, right? So it's true. So the answer is both one and two. Okay, no, sorry, this is just an assumption. Okay, conclusion one is just an assumption, but we are not entirely sure. Okay, we are not entirely sure. See, it says that some pens are markers and the figure can be like this, but it's not absolutely true. Okay, because the pens can also be here somewhere here. So since the statement is incomplete, you won't read it as it is. Okay, so what is the only probable answer? The definite answer is only true because from true we know that some tools are pens. Okay, so the correct figure will be like this. The correct figure will be like this. um Pens will be here. Okay, pens will be here and tools will be here and markers will be here. Okay, markers will be here. Since the question doesn't specifically mention that pens and markers are joining together, okay, they touch it, it doesn't say that some pens are markers or some markers are pen. It doesn't mention about it, so there is 50-50 chance, so you won't take that bet. Okay, so what does it specifically mention then? Some tools are markers, it says, and we definitely know for sure 100% that some tools will be definitely what? Pens. Okay, because it's included within this. So only conclusion true is what? Definite. Okay, so you only do true. This is the right answer. Okay, only conclusion true, only conclusion true follows is the right answer, because when it is 50-50, you can't bet on it. Okay, because the previous statement was a 50-50. Now I'll ask you if this is a alphabetical series. Okay, alphabetical series: A, C, F, J, O. Just do this, just do this quick, just do this quick. We are mixing mathematical aptitude, logical reasoning, and DI. Okay, we are doing three subtopics, so anywhere from 10 to 15 questions can come from what we are doing. The rest will be like uh, reading comprehension, all this, all those stuff. So what should be the next in the series? What should be the next in the series? Just think nicely, just think carefully. You can do like, since A is 1, C is 3, all think about all this stuff. Think about all this stuff. What about F? How much is it? A, B, C, D, E, F. F is 6, right? Think like this. So if you want, see, in before, during the exams, okay, it won't start like very quickly, so you can write this stuff maybe in your admit cut or something, or like in pencil, okay, so that you can erase it quickly again, like A, B, C, D, E, F. Like you just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, everything like this, okay. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, okay, like 7, 8, 9, 10, everything like this. But I'll tell you like a quicker way. Separate into 13, 13, okay. See, I'll tell you like a better way. Write 1 till 13, okay, 1 till 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's so big now. 12, 13, and like continue from here: 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So see from here, write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Do it like this, okay? 13, 13, okay? Specifically 13, 13. Why am I doing this? I'll tell you the answer. Because there can be questions when the alphabets are reversed, okay. For example, in general, you say A is 1, right, B is 2, but there are some times when the question use inversion, okay, meaning A is also what, A is 21, right, A is 26, and B is what, B is 25. So the exact opposite you can do so quickly. So this is the tip, okay, I'm giving. C is 3 and the inverse is what, inverse is 24, so it makes it so much easier. And J is how much? See, just let's just see J. J is how much? J is 10, right? See the increment from here. How much increment is here? 2, 3, 4. That means 5, 6. There will be 6 increment, right? So what should be the answer? Give me in the comment box. Comment box, quick, 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 quick. Just once I get a phone call, okay? Just try this. Hello? Let me just write. Next question. So the answer will be what? Answer will be what? What do you get here? Give me in the chat. Give me in the chat. What should be the answer? Answer is U. Okay, answer is U, because if you add it up, O P Q R S T U, if you add plus 6, it will be U. So that's the answer. Now next, um can you try, this will be classwork. Okay, this will be classwork. Statements and conclusion, statement and conclusion. Just try this. All students must submit assignments by Friday, said the teacher. Okay, this is the statement one. This will be a classwork if you want homework as well. I'll just give you. And conclusion one will be some students may not, try to do the Venn diagram method. Okay, maybe this will be homework. Some students may not submit the assignments. Conclusion two, the teacher expects all students to submit assignments on time. So the answers are A is only one, only conclusion one. B is only true. C is both 1 and 2. D is neither. Okay, neither. So just give me your answers in the chat. Just give me your answers in the chat. Think nicely, read nicely. This stuff will come. Okay, I'm not kidding. This stuff will come. Just give me the answer in the chat. Quick, 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 quick. This is known as statement and conclusion. Okay, not syllogism that we talk about. Quick, quick, quick. I'm waiting in the chat box. Just give me A, B, C, or D. Give me quick. We need some interaction, guys. Some interaction. This is one of the difference. Okay, I see. See, like call people. Okay, why people? Like if you give them classes, like they are true inquisitive. Okay, like they'll ask you what is this, what is that. Okay, like sir, this is not correct. This is right. Like you need to have some kind of interaction, like, or else you won't really learn. Elina Lalinchani. So answer, I'll give you the answer. Okay, answer, since you're the only person who answers. Answer is B. You are right. Okay, you are right. It's correct. And next, let's do one more syllogism. Um, the statement is all books are papers. Okay, all books are papers, and all papers are words. This is the statement, and the conclusion is what? All books are words. Some words are books. Just do this quick, 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 quick. Answer, I'll give you the answer. A is only one. Okay, only one. B is only two. And C is both. And D is neither. So like I have told you before, use the Venn diagram method. Okay, that's the easiest way to know. Okay, Venn diagram. So books, okay, books. All books. If it says all books, you'll write books like this. Okay, and you will circle by what? Paper. Okay, since it says all books are papers, you'll circle it by paper. Okay, what? This is the first statement. Now what about the second? See nicely, all papers are words. So if it says all papers are words, that means it will be like this again. All papers are words. Okay. Now the statement is correct. So let's see conclusion. All books are words. What do you think is the answer? What do you think is the answer? Give me quick, 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 quick. All books are words. What do you think? All books are words. It is true, right? It's true because see, books is inside the words. Okay, books is inside the words. See, books is inside the words. So all books are words is true. What about second statement? Tell me in the chat, is conclusion be true or not? Say true or not. Say true or false. Is conclusion true? Wait, okay, I just received a phone call just once. Hello. Oh, even tala B. Damo. Patinjan ka chaya. Nang in no? Oh. Hmm. Uh. Hmm. Uh. Pilo so thế ni an kan tam via mo chun inum chun chu like hi zon mal mal so man tu man hai kong wang kan follower how do hai kamilo pung song pe gro teng du na man kang dang han short sam na dang num chu sima sin na chu thei tho ta renga data po collect chu an tak met comment but at least like the big mo big met hai chu thei ta long ate access is ukti tak chu an channel ming hai rit am im an account kha va chala ding oh okay okay hung chat sin ka che in khat i ngai dan hai fil sin la in khat in tripong ito abi tu takin ka boy ka busy no ka te a thil ka class ka tek me ka mo ka chi man en bit tangai no ema i man thil thu thar do man ka ti thu ni no song chat no on le so let's see, I just received a phone call, so sorry. Some words are books. Wait, okay, let me just type, let me just okay. So some words are books. Let's say some words are books. Obviously, this is also true, right? This is also true. Why? Because see, words is encircling the whole thing. Okay, words is very big, so at least some of the words will be books. Okay, because it is inside this hemisphere. So both of these are true, and the answer is definitely both. Okay, both of the conclusion are true. So Elena, you're right. Okay, you're right. It's correct. So we'll move on now. We'll do calculative questions. Okay, we'll do calculative questions again. Um, let me give you some decoding questions. This stuff also come in a certain code. Okay, in a certain code, we are doing previous year questions in a certain code. Rain is written as SZZO. How is wind written in that code? Just try quickly. This minute, this second, 20 seconds. In a certain code, rain is written as SZZO. How is wind written in that code? Guys, give me the answer. Give me the answer. Sorry, I said Elena. No, it's Judith. Judith, you are definitely right. Okay, just check the stuff again. Guys, give me the answer. So you can expect. Okay, like let's say um logical reasoning, 4 to 5 questions. Mathematical aptitude, 4 to 5 questions, and data interpretation definitely 4 to 5 questions. So anywhere from 12 to 15 questions, okay, the thing we're doing. So 12 to 15 means, if it's 15 means 15 to or 30, so you're practicing for 30 marks. That's so much, okay, that's so much. Now after this, let's do a little bit of research aptitude, okay, let's do a little bit of research aptitude. In a certain code, rain is written as, is just write this quickly. um Give me in the chat, quick. So rain is written as SZZO. Do you know how to do this, guys? PQRS. RS means 1. Okay, plus 1. This means minus 1. How can I say it's minus 1 plus 1? Do you know how what I mean by this? See, from S to R is, from R to S, let's say, from R to S. Let's say from R to S. PQRS. So it's one increment, right? There is one increment. From ABC. So it's the opposite way. So you have to write minus 1, okay? Because after Z comes A again. PQRS, XYZ, then A again. So minus 1. What about here? IZ. So IZ is plus 1. MNO. NO. NO. This is plus 1. So it's very irregular, right? The pattern is so irregular, right? So how should win be written in this case? How should win be written in this case? WX, okay, plus 1, since it is plus 1. So there's a mistake in the question here, okay? There's a mistake in the question here. I just checked the answer option and it's totally wrong. But the rest I'll do. WX, so one increment, and D one increment, so one increment means DE. And NO one increment, or IZ, it would be plus 1 as A. So this should be plus, because they're doing mistake here. It should be like Z or something, okay? Because with the answer options is not. I hope you guys understand this. Let me just explain it nicely again. Yeah, you're right, Cindy. You're definitely right. See, I'll explain this quickly. It's very easy, okay? See, if it's written like this, win and XJOE. Um, if you read the alphabetical or alphabets, okay, the WX, so X comes after W, so it is plus 1, and after I comes Z, IZ, so it is 1, and NO, it's 1, and DE means 1. That's it, okay. Now um let me do quick. Let's do line graph base, okay, line graph base. So it's a big question. It's a big question. This one is a big question. I don't know if we can complete it within this time. But year will be here. Year will be here. Okay. And state. Let's say state A. These are different states. Okay. B, C, D, E. It's a very huge graph. Year is 2018, 2019, and 2020. 2021, 2022, okay. So how much is A? 40, 42, 45, 50, 55, 35, 38, 40, 42, 45, okay. And this is 50, 55, 58, 58, 60. No, this is not 50, this is 52. And D, what about D? 45, 48, 46, 49, 52. And what about this 30, 35, 40, 42? See, it takes so much time even just to write this down. Okay. So, first question is which state saw the highest total wheat production over the 5 years? This is wheat production, okay? Wheat production in million tons. So, in million tons. So it means 40 million tons, 35 million tons. So it's a wheat production. So which state? These are states, okay? A, B, C, D are states. These are states. So just give me the answer. Which state um, has the highest wheat production? Give me quick. Which state? Which state over the 5 years? Which state has the highest wheat production? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Cindy, what are you talking about? Like, what about the previous question? Is some and all supposed to be taken as the same? Are you talking about like syllogism? Like that? Some? Yeah. Okay. We'll go again. Okay. Then, just answer this and we'll go again. Definitely, we'll go again. Are you Cindy? Just answer me. Like, are you familiar with syllogism questions? Is it the first time you ever saw it, or are you familiar? Are you familiar, or like is it your first time? Just give me that. Okay. 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 See, very complex syllogism questions will include like some are not. Okay, when some are not is included, it's very complicated. But those questions like generally never come. Okay, like in SSC level exams, banking exams level, it will come, but in net level questions, some are not never really come. So wait, so if you see like the years, just see the years, just see the years. 40, 40, 45, 50, 50. Just see the beginning. Okay, it takes so much time. This is how they are trying to waste their time. So I think C will be, because C it starts from 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, right? How much do you think? Definitely stage C. Stage C. What about least increase in wheat production? It's asking for least increase in wheat production. Least increase in wheat production. It's asking for least increase. Which state has the least increase? Okay, like from 2018 to 2019. So they're asking from 2018 to 2020, 2018 to 2022. Which state has the least? Check. State A, let's see A. A is from 40 to 55. Okay, 40 to 55. What is the difference? It is 15, right? And from for B, what is B? 35 to 45. So it is 10. And let's see, C is 10 and 45. This is 8. D is 8. Okay. And I didn't finish the chart. Wait, I didn't finish the chart. State E. No, in the option it's only A, B, C, D, only for A, B, C, D. So state D is not included. So definitely D is the culprit, right? Because see, if you see 2018 for D, in 2018 it was 45, okay, and in 2022 it was 52. So you just subtract this, okay, just subtract this, and it is 8 million tons. So this guy is the least. So state D has the least production. You don't need to find like percentage and all. Okay, just do subtraction. If they ask like average annual production, like you just add all this stuff. Okay, just add all this stuff and you divide it by 5. That is the average annual production of state A. Okay, now let me go to syllogism again, since one of our student asked. And then we'll try to wind up, because see 1 hour is going to finish again so quick, right? So there are four types, okay, in syllogism. Syllogism, they just say there are four types. What is the number one? The number is all type. Okay, all type. The number one is all type. For example, all A R B. Okay, all A R B. If all A R B means you write A like this, okay, and all A R B. This is basically the chart. Do you get it? I hope you understand, right? All means it engulfs everything, it eats up everything, okay. Since it says all A, so B is bigger, okay. If it says all A, it means B is bigger, so B is eating everything of A. What about the second? Second is no base questions, okay. No base questions, it's very easy. No base questions, so no A is B, okay. If it says no A is B, so A is smaller again, okay. It can be smaller, it can be bigger. So if it says no A is B, A will be like this, and since it says no A is B, it will be like this, okay. They won't have any link, okay. They won't touch each other, okay. They are separated. If it says no A is B, the two guys won't touch each other at all. It would be like that. And the third type of question is some questions. Some are questions, okay. Some are questions. Some A R B, okay. If it says some A R B, it means this is A, okay. Some means just some, okay, like this. You get it? We never actually know, like, if it's like this as well, if the chart is like this as well, we never know, okay. We never know. But since it says some, we are thinking like only little, okay. We are saying, but that's not the whole point, okay. You don't need to be too specific about how much they are connected. So this much is the sum, okay. Like in green, I'll color it in green. This much is the sum. So I hope you know the difference now. Sum means only little, okay. Only little. I'll give you the questions and you'll just understand it. Some A or B means only some part of A or B, okay. They're sharing a little bit. So the next question is this stuff never really comes. Some are not, okay. Some are not. Some, these are the four times. A are not B, okay. It's how do I say, like, if you don't get the concept, it's very difficult to understand, okay. But if you understand it, like, it's quite simple again. So it's like a two-way street, I would say. So if it says some are not, I'll draw this again. A is like this and B is like this again. So this is A, this is B. So red part, green part is the some are, okay. This is the sum, this is the some are. This means that some A are B, some B are A, okay. I hope you get it. But what about some are not? Some are not means, if it says some A are not B, the red part, okay, the red part, see, that's the truth, right? The red part is not B, it's just saying that, okay. Some A are not B, that's the answer. So I hope you get it. This is the basic theorem formula of syllogism, okay. I hope, Cindy, you are clear now. Now we'll solve it, okay, and everything will be clear. Only four types are there: all questions, no questions, some are questions, some are not questions, okay. I'll explain it now. We'll do a lot then. We'll do basic questions first. Some all are the most easy, okay. All base questions are the most easy. All, give me the answers, okay. All apples are fruits and all fruits are food. There are three elements: apples, fruits, and food. So what are the statements? What are the conclusions? What are the conclusions? Conclusion are all apples are food. Only one conclusion, okay. So what is the answer then? What are the answer options? Answer options are all A. Okay, B is eh? Why is there no answer options here? Let's say is the conclusion true or not? Just tell me. Just say true or not. Okay, give me the answer. Just give me true or false. Just give me true or false. True. Is it true? Let's see. Okay. So just see if it's true. This is the basic question. Apple is like this. Okay. Apple is like this. All apples are fruit means like this. All apples are fruits. All fruits are food means you'll do like this again. So all apples are food. Apple. All the apples are food. Apple vekka. How do you say? I don't know how to speak that language. All the apples are food means. See, all the apples are food, right? So it's definitely true. Okay. There's no like coming after that. Now let me write the next question. Guys, be interactive. Okay, be interactive. Write true or false. No tiger is deer. Okay, all deer are herbivores. No tiger is deer. All bears are. Conclusion. Let me write conclusion. The conclusion is no tiger is a herbivore. Yeah. See if it's true or not. Write T if you think it's true. Write F if you think it is false. Just give me that. No tiger is deer. No deer are herbivores. Right. Everyone participate. Give me the answer. Quick, 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 quick. Everyone participate. Only Elena and Cindy and Judith can't speak. Okay, can't chat. Everyone has to participate. So Elena says it's true. Let's see. No tiger. If it says no tiger, it'll be like this. Okay. No tiger is deer, so you'll be like this. You'll separate them. Okay, like this. Separate them. And no tiger is. All deers are herbivores. All deers are herbivores. So it's like this. This is the chart. Okay. So no tiger is a herbivore. This is true. It's true. Okay. No, I mean, you can't. Wait, the answer option is so confusing. Okay, how they are giving me, like they are giving me answer invalid, valid. So let me give you another one. I'll give you. Wait, let me give you true or false. Doesn't really satisfied. Okay, so let's write only A is true, only B is true. Voila, let's do like that. So I think this is the question that Cindy wants. Okay, so the first question is some birds are ducks. Okay, some birds are ducks, and all ducks are water lovers. So conclusion is some birds are water lovers, all birds are water lovers. So the answer option will be this is one. Okay, this is true. Give me the answer quick. Only two trees. C is both. D is neither. Okay, give me the answer quick, 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 quick. Give me the answer quick. So some birds are ducks means some birds are ducks means you will write like this. Some birds are ducks. Okay, like this. You get it? Some birds are ducks. And all ducks are water lovers. So you'll write like this. All ducks, since it says all ducks, you'll use this same line. You'll write like this, okay? All ducks are water lovers. So that this is the chart. This is the chart. So some birds are water lovers. Let's see. Some birds are water lovers. Some birds are water lovers. It is true, okay? Because see, they're sharing this one, okay? Like green, they're sharing. They're sharing this. So one is true. All birds are water lovers. Obviously, no. This is not true. So what is the answer? Only one. Okay, Elena is good. Elena is good. Only one. I hope Cindy understands a little bit. We'll do just one question and we'll wind up the session, okay? Because it's already 11. See, it's already 11. I give you so much help, okay? Mm, I'll give you this is the last question for tonight, okay? Last question for tonight. All engineers are professionals. No professional is lazy. So conclusion will be some engineers are not lazy. All engineers are not lazy. Just do this quickly, quickly, quickly. Just do it quickly. All engineers are professionals. Let's see. All engineers are professors. Engineers. All engineers are professionals. Okay. And no professional is lazy. Like this, you'll do like this. I told you if it says no, you'll have to like quarantine like this or like you have to ostracize them like this. So just give a conclusion. Just give a conclusion. Some engineers are not lazy. Can that be right or not? Some engineers are not lazy. Let's see. Okay. Some engineers are not lazy. Some engineers are not lazy. It can't be because they have no link. Okay. Engineer and lazy doesn't have anything. So this can't be okay. All engineers are not lazy. All engineers are not lazy. See, this is true because no one is lazy here. Okay. No one is lazy. There's no link. That means everyone is not lazy. So this is true. Be only very nice. Very good. Okay. I hope you like the session. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the session. See, we already did like 1 hour 15 minutes, okay, or like 1 hour 20 minutes. But I hope you like it. We started at around 10:45, and not 10:45, 9:45, and now it's 11:05. I'm so tired, guys. Take care, okay? It's easy as drinking milk. Good night, everyone.